Why should you consider using a VPS instead of your own computer to trade the markets? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post future videos. Like this video just to motivate me to continue sharing these videos and sharing the knowledge and experiences for free. If you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, systems and stuff like that for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. So this question always comes up. Why should you invest in a VPS, a virtual private server? Why should you invest in a virtual private server, a VPS system, in order to trade Forex or crypto or whatever you'll be trading? So this is versus using your own laptop or your own computer. So basically what a VPS server is, your computer that is based in the cloud. So it can actually work for you 24 hours a day, and VPS services are actually popular with people who trade using automated trading systems or who use Forex robots and stuff like that. You cannot keep your computer running 24 hours a day. Besides the electricity bill, you are also destroying the computer's hard drive. So the option is to actually use a VPS service, and there are many around. I cannot recommend anyone, but you do your own research. There are many VPS offerings around. Basically, you have your own computer or your own trading station in the cloud. So what are some of the advantages? Basically, you can connect to your platform from anywhere with a network connection, including internet cafes, and basically a flexibility of being able to trade anywhere, even when you are not with your laptop. You can even go into an internet cafe, or you are at work and you left your laptop that you use for trading at home. You can simply log into your VPS server and actually just see what things are happening there. And like I said, second reason is VPS services are actually popular with people who use automated trading systems that they want to be trading 24 hours a day. So if, for example, your country gets affected by power outages, gets affected by a lot of stuff, you are a candidate for a VPS service. So because your VPS computer, your virtual computer, is in the cloud, it's not affected by power outages, by theft, by physical things, because it's in the cloud. And basically you can set it to do the trading, like I said, with Forex robots and stuff like that, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, if you're trading synthetic indices and things like that. When you set these robots, even when you switch off your laptop, because it's on a virtual server that's in the cloud, trades can still be executed. Trades will be opened, trades will be closed, and following your strategy, obviously following your strategy and your rules. So VPS services are popular for these reasons. And also the other advantage is, unlike your home computer, which can easily be hacked by people who want to steal your crypto or want to do damage to you and stuff like that, because you are using a VPS server, most of these servers, they are constantly checked by the companies that run them for breaches and stuff like that. So VPS systems also have an advantage of being secure than trading from your laptop or from your phone, which can easily be hacked. Then Then the last advantage is basically that because it's in the cloud, you find that there is little latency when it comes to executing orders. Research has shown that orders that are executed through VPS services, they go through much quicker than you would with your laptop, because the cloud is basically significantly faster in transmitting orders. So you are not likely to get caught with things like slippage and losses that are associated with latency, like speed of execution and stuff like that. So those are some of the reasons why people opt to choose VPS services over their own computers. So yeah, if you have some money lying around, and especially if you are running robots and automated systems, and you have some VPS services cost as little as $100 a month, some $200. It depends really with your needs. So if you have that kind of money and you have a good strategy, or you have got a good robot that you want to be trading 24 hours a day, VPS services are a good way to go. Leave a comment in the comment section below, like this video. Until next time, bye.